she doing? Did she get Rhoda's ball? Misha says, I get it. You gonna get it, Misha? I know. And Misha has tennis balls. Give it back to her. It's hers.
Okay.
Go get it, Misha.
Go get it.
Misha goes, no, I don't play fetch very well. Oh, such a good. Look, she's moving. Misha's not freaking out. Oh. See, if you throw it straight at him, he's... Oh, are you going to play fetch with Rhoda?
Oh.
Misha's not minding. Stand up and see if he'll come to you.
Come here, Misha. Come here.
Good boy.
Oh,
He goes, I'm not too sure about that.
Come here. Oh, he's
Good boy.
There's good boy. Do you see this psycho? I'm done beat. Rhoda, that was mine.
Oh, such a good boy. Oh, such a good boy. Very good. Look at this big brave mutt.
Oh,
Look at this big brave mutt. Oh, he's so good. So good.